software development has evolved into various directions. One such thing is code writing software. There have been introduced many editors, notebooks, IDEs. Each of these things have a special purpose and ease for development. I would like to mention few. Those are Notepad++, PyCharm, VS Code, like this. PyCharm is a full-featured professional IDE for Python development. It has smart code completion, debugging, testing, refactoring, and many other tools. Spider, also a open source Python IDE that is optimized for data science workflows. It comes with IPython notebooks, integration, interactive Python console, matplotlib support, and a variable explorer. Like that, VS Code also has the same features. It also supports these facilities. There comes notebooks. Notebooks are web-based applications that allow you to create and share documents that contain live code, text, equations, and visualizations. Notebooks are based on the Jupyter project, which supports over 40 programming languages, including Python, R, Julia, Scala, and all. Notebooks are useful for interactive computing, data analysis, scientific research, education, and communication. Notebooks can be exported to various formats such as HTML, PDF, Markdown, or Python scripts. These can be enhanced with extensions that add extra functionality or customizations. So this is all about editors.